Let's start by expanding each of these equations, okay? Multiply all the brackets in, and you get this. Okay, now we'll put the variables on one side, and the numbers on another side. Okay, so this is going to be an arrow. So we have minus 8 plus 5, that gives me minus 3, but bringing that over to the other side, we get 8 plus 3. Okay, so that's 11. Over here, expand everything else. Okay, here are our variables, so we leave that here. Minus 3 plus 4 gives me 1. Bring that over, becomes minus 1. So minus 11 minus 1 is minus 12. Okay, so we're almost there. Now, if we want to use elimination, right, we need to cancel out one of the variables. So let's multiply the top one by 3 and the bottom by 2 so that I can end up getting, all right, so multiply both of those. So I can get 6a here and 6a there. So subtracting will just give me the 0 a's, okay? So, sorry, the multiplying the top would be by 3, okay? So then we get plus 15b is equal to 33, and the bottom we get minus 4b is equal to minus 24. So subtracting these two, a's are gone. 15b minus 4, or minus 4b gives me 19b. And over here, 33 plus 24 is 57. So this tells me then that b has to be 3. Okay, so let's plug this back into this equation here just because the numbers are small and nice. Then we get that 2a plus 5 times 3 has to be 11. That's 2a is equal to 11 minus 15, right? If you want to bring this positive 15 over, it's going to be minus 15. So we're left with minus 4. So dividing both sides by 2, a must be minus 2.